every clinic should have some kind of software. Clinician होगा तो ज़्यादा better. I am Dr. Shoma Sarkar, a practicing dermatologist and an aesthetic physician, and I've been practicing in Bombay for the last 15 years. I teach all the upcoming dermatologists, my peers and colleagues. Patients used to have a certain kind of behavioral pattern when they used to see us. Thanks to all the exposure, people are getting more aware of things, they are getting more educated by these means, and because of which they are more open to converse. Everybody at today's time wants to look good, wants to look presentable, whichever field they are, but they want to look at certain way, they want to have that confidence in them. So patient education is the utmost important thing what we all have to learn. At the clinic level, we do a lot of social media ad campaigns, use reels sometimes, I do short videos sometimes, help us to connect better. Our consumers get more comfortable talking to us when they see us on various platforms, and it becomes easier to have a dialogue with the patients. So when you educate the patients also understand their entities well, they stick to the treatments well, and they do less doctor shopping. When we started as a typical clinic, as we always used to have pen and paper, that's our old school method. We used to keep all our data on the registers and on the pile up registers, and we used to then search for it if we have to go back for the data. The best part about this Clinisio is that patient management has become easier. We know exactly where to store our stuff, where exactly to put our inventories, to keep a tab of your products, your procedures, your patients, your history takings. Everything is in one place, and it keeps the clinic also organized well.
Hi, I'm Shazia. I am the clinic manager for Dr. Soma Sarkar's clinic. We have been using Clinisio since quite a few months now. It has helped me in a lot of day-to-day operations of my clinic work. Appointments, when you talk about, it's the best feature I would say, because Clinisio doesn't allow you to do a duplicate appointment. It helps us how many patients we have seen in the day, new, old, and it also helps us to give us patient detail. The patients are quite happy because they know that it's very streamlined. We are delivering what we are talking to them, what are the pre and post care that they need to take after the procedure. We have got the package feature also in the Clinisio. So whenever somebody takes a package, it's very easy to remember. Just one click on the patient profile and you get the entire detail. The day-to-day challenges what we face was maintaining the cash, the UPI transactions, stock in, stock out. Now, to be very honest, after using Clinisio, it's been very streamlined. The CA clicks one report and she gets everything on the go. Favorite feature of Clinisio is the day-end report, because that's the most challenging part as a manager to maintain. Sometimes if I am not available, if anybody else is doing the billing, and if there is a differentiate of amount, for me it's very easy to pick up what the problem was and how to resolve it.
Visualization is a huge platform, and it definitely gives you more sophistication in your practice, more system in your practice. Also gives you things easily when you want to read something or generate reports. So I think software, digitalization, it will make your life much more easier. So I think every clinic, small, big or bigger than that, should have some kind of software. Clinisio होगा तो ज़्यादा better, always in your place.